Hi friends, welcome to TechNestube. In this video, we are going to discuss expected questions for the upcoming Junior Instructor Welder examination. Yes, let's start. First question. What is the purpose of inspection in welding? What is the purpose of inspection in welding? Answer is determine the fault and quality of the weld. How many stages are there in visual inspection method? You know that visual inspection method is a type of non-destructive test. The stages in visual inspection methods are three types. Three stages are there. Which type of test is generally not used on the final product? Not used on the final product. Destructive test. Destructive test is will not apply on the final product. What are the common welding tests performed in workshop? Common welding test. Nick break test, free bend test, fracture test. These are the welding test. How many type of common non-destructive tests are there? Common types of non-destructive test. Total three type of non-destructive tests are there. What type of test is visual inspection test? Visual inspection test is under non-destructive test. What is the non-destructive test method using sound as a source? Stethoscopic test is the right answer. What activities contributed to the fabrication cost? What activities contribute to the fabrication cost? Preparation, welding and finishing. These three costs are contribute to the fabrication cost for welding. What is a test in which the weld quality is tested without destroying the job? Without destroying the job, non-destructive test. Which stage the root gap is set in welding process? Root gap is set before the welding stage. Before welding stage, we need to set the root gap. Where do we cut 2 millimeter depth by hacksaw to conduct a nick break test? Where need to cut the 2 mm depth for nick break test? Cut along the center line of the weld. Cut along the center line of the weld. What is the test that gives a tensile strength and elongation of test specimen? What test for finding the tensile strength and elongation? Need to conduct strength and ductility. Which is a non-destructive test out of this? Which is a non-destructive test without damaging the job. Next, the welding cost estimation of the power equation in this equation E is represented by the efficiency of the welding machine. Efficiency of the welding machine. What is the cost involving office expenses, lighting, rent, etc., but not directly related to the job? The cost which are not directly related to the job is overhead cost. What is the test to find weld defect using sound waves echo displayed on calibrated screen? The method is ultrasonic test. What is the test? If the weld specimen is placed in between X-ray unit and film. Answer is radiographic test. What is the test to find the internal defect of a weldment if echo transmitted by sound waves displays on the calibrated screen of testing unit? It is ultrasonic test. What are the costs involved in welding job? What are the costs involved in welding job? Welding job, electrode, power and labor. What type of safety equipment is worn while checking the welding joint of an overhead crane frame? For overhead work, need to wear helmet. What is the name of the welding process if the arc produced by a consumable metal electrode is protected by inert gas? Protected by inert gas. That is metal inert gas welding. MIG. How is thermit mixer ignited? Thermit welding. How the thermit mixer will ignite? By using match or magnesium ribbon. Which welding method starting off welding done by using steel wool or iron powder? Which welding method starting of welding done by using steel wool or iron powder is submerged arc welding. What are the gases mixed for shielding in flex coated arc welding? What are the gases mixed for shielding in flex coated arc welding? In flex coated arc welding, the gas will be shielding gases. Shielding gases which are argon and carbon dioxide. One inert gas and one active gas. Here carbon dioxide is the active gas and argon is the inert gas. These two mixes will be used in flex coated arc welding. How many type of flex coated wire are used in flex coated arc welding? Two type. Which type of electrode provides a protective slag in flex coated arc welding? Which type of electrode provided protective slag in flex coated arc welding? Tubular coated flex electrode. What device is used to protect face from UV and ultraviolet radiation during welding process? Answer is helmet with filtered color glasses. What protective equipment is used to protect hand from burning injury? From burning injury, leather gloves. Which gas is generated during gas metal arc welding on using carbon dioxide as shielding gases? In gas metal arc welding using carbon dioxide as shielding gases, carbon monoxide gas will generate. What type of lens shade is to be fixed in helmet while doing MIG welding? MIG welding, A-12. What is the lens shade fitted in the helmet as per the recommendation of welding code for setting of 150 amps for manual metal arc welding? A. #11. Which type of apron is suitable to protect from heat and radiation during welding? Is leather apron. Which angle of presetting is to compensate distortion on horizontal single V-butt joint metal thickness of 10 mm and root gap of 2 mm. Angle of presetting for horizontal single V-butt joint is 183 degree. How many type of basic welding positions in gas metal arc welding? In gas metal arc welding, 3 types of basic welding positions are there. Which is the weld position of gas metal arc welding if the weld is deposited underside of the job? In weld position is overhead position. What type of joints are made by the groove weld in gas metal arc welding? What type of joints are made by the groove weld in gas metal arc welding? Butt weld. Which shielding gas is used in MIG welding? MIG welding. MIG means metal inert gas welding. The shielding gas should be a inert gas. So, answer is argon. Which type of welding is developed electroslag welding? Which type of welding is developed electroslag welding? Submerged arc welding. How many types of metal transfer in gas metal arc welding or carbon dioxide welding process? 4 types. What is the ability of the metal to cut another metal? The ability of a metal to penetrate another metal or cut another metal is known as hardness. It's a hardness property. What ampere range is required for setting 1.2 mm filler wire for welding mild steel? The ampere for 1.2 filler wire for welding mild steel, that is 100 to 225 amps. What is the temperature produced by chemical reaction in thermit welding? Temperature produced in thermit welding process. It will be around 2500 degrees Celsius to 2700 degrees Celsius. That means around 5000 degree Fahrenheit. Which type of welding is to be used to make joint of thick pipe of rails? Thick pipe of rails. Process pressure thermit welding process. Where is electron beam generated, controlled and accelerated? In electron beam welding process, the electrons will accelerate or control in vacuum chamber that is generated in vacuum chamber. What is the source of heat to melt the work pieces in an electron beam welding? What is the source of heat to melt the workpiece in an electron beam welding? That is high speed electrons. Which welding process? Granulated flux is fed through hopper to the welding spot. It's submerged arc welding. What are the positions used in submerged arc welding? That is flat and horizontal position. Which type of weld are often used to assist assembly or to maintain edge alignment during welding? Which type of weld are often used to assist assembly or to maintain edge alignment during welding? That is tack weld. What is the usual torch angle tilt on either side of vertical in gas metal arc welding? That is 10 degree to 20 degree. What defect occurs to a weld joint if it is provided with insufficient heat input? What defect will happen due to insufficient heat input? Insufficient heat input means the melting of the workpieces will be low, so the lack of penetration will happen. That will occur. What is the solution if burn back occurs due to irregular wire feeding in gas metal arc welding process? What is the solution if burn back occurs due to the irregular wire feeding in gas metal arc welding process? Cut the nick wire and replace the spool. Which metal surfacing method is ideal for thin layers that can flow to corner and edges of the job? Answer is oxyacetylene welding. Thank you.